Hey guys, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means two colors this time. This month is National Women's Month, and what better way to celebrate than making some lipstick, okay? So I put together these two beautiful colors for all my ladies. The first color that I'll be sharing is this beautiful deep brown. It is absolutely stunning. It is a brown with some beautiful gray undertones, as you can see, and it is actually darker than it's appearing because of my lighting, but her name goes by the name of Sydney, and she's absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love the way she's turned out. And the second color that I'll be sharing, which is also darker than it appears, goes by the name of Berlin. It is a beautiful green, and I had to bring this in time for St. Patrick's Day. Although it came and left, we are still in the season of green. It is springtime, so I had to drop this deep, dark, lush green that goes by the name of Berlin. Love, love, love. Stay tuned. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Let's mix it up. So first things first, I'm going to be adding my world famous lipstick base to the bowl. You can get it at veryveelobeauty.com, and this full recipe will be on my Patreon, so head over there. Next, I've added my titanium dioxide, and I'm just blending it out with my hand mixer. On my Patreon, you can get this full recipe, as I mentioned before, for a small pledge of $5 per month. I want to take this time out to thank my patrons that I already have. You guys, I appreciate you so very much, and thank you for supporting me and the channel. It is so appreciated. Next, I'm going in with some black Oxide, and then I'm just gonna take my whisk and kind of mix it in first before I power it on. Just make sure that lipstick is coated before I power it up so that it doesn't go flying all over the place. I'm gonna break it down. Next, I'm going in with the brown Oxide. I'm just gonna put that in, and because it's quite a bit of pigment, I'm just going to take my spatula and I'm going to work that in really well while scraping the sides of the bowl before I power up the hand mixer. To darken the color, I'm going to go in with some more black Oxide. Here we have a swatch check for progress. I want to make it darker, however, so I went in with some more black Oxide, and I'm just blending that out really well with my hand mixer to make sure that it is incorporated really good and to avoid streaking. Here's the second swatch, and I'm absolutely loving the way that it turned out. That is the one, so I'm going to proceed to finishing this color by adding in some Kaolin Clay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I coat the clay with the lipstick that is in the bowl. So I'm going to take my spatula and I'm just going to sweep this clay all around the bowl until it forms a paste. When you see a paste, that is exactly what you want to see before you head on to the next step, which is adding in the ISO remix. Boy, you give me chills, baby. I'm gonna break it down. You just drive me wild whenever you're around. it down. They don't know your. So now that I'm done and I am in love with the texture, I'm just gonna go ahead and proceed to fill my syringe. I'm using a mini syringe or a 10 milliliter syringe because I'm only filling one bottle. I don't fill my bottles in advance. I actually store my lipstick in airtight jars with a liner, but until I get a sale, just so that I'm not wasting my bottles. You know, bottles is expensive, honey, especially if they custom bottles. I'm not just filling bottles, so I do want to let you know, put that out there that I do fill the bottles as needed. The only time that I would fill multiple bottles is if I have to do a show, or I'm going somewhere where I'm doing a display, or if I have multiple orders in that color. I'm gonna keep it real. Oh, it's something about you. There you have it. We have made our beautiful brown Sydney lipstick in a matte finish. I absolutely love how this color turned out, and I love even more the way that it looks on my skin tone. I'm gonna break it down. You just drive me wild whenever you're around. Poppy got a money, Poppy got a real, Poppy got a like, Poppy got a dad, Poppy got a real, Poppy got a like, Poppy got a money, Poppy got a real, Poppy got a like, Poppy got a dad, Poppy got a 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 like, Shay got a Poppy got a Poppy got a Poppy got a like, Shay got a Poppy got a Poppy got a Poppy got a like, Shay got a Poppy got a Poppy got a. I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna keep it real. So the next color that I'll be making is Berlin, which is a deep green, which also has great undertones. And I'm starting off with my world famous lipstick base. You can get it from veryveelobeauty.com, and I also show you how to make this base. Then I'm following right after with some titanium dioxide, and then I'm going to blend that out really good with my hand mixer, and then I'm going to proceed to adding in my black oxide. Oh, it's something about you. I'm gonna break it down. They don't know your style. Now I'm going in with some FD&C Yellow No. 5 Alum Lake. I do have a shop with me video showing you guys where I purchased all of my batch certified aluminum lake dyes. So be sure to check that out, just so that you know where you can get everything from to make just about any color. I'll be sure to add it in my end card so that you guys can watch it if you haven't already done so. Then I'm going in with some blue No. 1 alum lake, and then I'm just going to take my spatula and just combine everything before I power up my hand mixer. I'm gonna keep it real. Oh, it's something about you. I'm gonna break it down. They don't know your style. I'm gonna keep it real. How you make me feel, boy, you give me chills, baby. I'm gonna break it down. You just drive me wild whenever you're around. Sometimes blue No. 1 can be very potent and just take over and overpower the whole lipstick. So I'm going in with some more yellow No. 5 to bring more balance and make this look like more of a green versus a blue green. But I'm loving what it's doing, and I'm just going to make sure that I incorporate everything evenly. I'm gonna keep it real. Oh, it's something about you. I'm gonna break it down. They don't know your style. I'm gonna keep it real. you give me chills. I want to make my lipstick darker, so I went in with some more black oxide. You. I'm gonna break it down. They don't know your style. So here I am doing a swatch check for progress. I actually like this, but I want it to be darker. So I'm gonna go back in with some more black oxide to make it darker to my liking. You. I'm gonna break it down. They don't know your style. So now we're going in with an additional swatch check for progress, and I absolutely love the way that it darkened for me. It's a slight difference, but I just wanted to make sure that it had the depth that I needed. So now I'm done, and I'm going in with my Kaolin Clay, and I'm just going to make sure that I coat all of the lipstick with that clay until the point where it looks like a paste. And when it looks like a paste, I'm going to proceed to add my ISO remix. Now I'm going in with my Isododecane remix, and I'm just going to add that to the bowl. You can grab it from Veryveelobeauty.com if you don't already have some. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix it in and correct the texture, and just watch this lipstick go from a paste to a beautiful cream consistency. And then I'm going to take my spatula and fill my syringe, and just like that, I am done. I'm gonna keep it real. Oh, it's something about you. I'm gonna break it down. They don't know your style. I'm gonna keep it real. How you make me feel. Boy, you give me chills, baby. I'm gonna break it down. You just drive me wild whenever you're around. I'm gonna keep it real. About you, I'm gonna break it down. They don't know your style. I'm gonna keep it real. How you make me feel. Boy, you give me chills. When filling your bottle, just be sure that you are leaving an inch allowance so that you'll be able to put in your stopper as well as your wand effortlessly. And when you get your wand in, all you have to do is move it up and down, and it will fill in any gaps like so and pop any air bubbles that are inside of the bottle. And just like that, we have made Berlin in a matte finish. I'm gonna keep it real. it's something about you. Isn't she lovely? Berlin turned out absolutely stunning. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel, spending time with me, and allowing me to share my gift of lipstick making with you. Berlin and Sydney are both available in wholesale and retail. Love you guys. Bye.